Why the protesters are calling for a repeal of the lèse majesté law.
This seems to be the focus for Thursday, especially when we are talking about lèse majesté law in Thailand. This has got to be the harshest law in this country and almost around the world, given the fact that it imprisons a person facing that charge for up to 15 years. And also one person can actually face multiple lèse majesté charges. So you can just imagine the severity of that. And not just that, but there are two problems with this lèse majesté law, which the protest leaders highlighted earlier. One is the fact that anybody and everybody can actually file charges, and so you don't need the victim to actually file a lèse majesté charge because he or she was defamed. And yet another is that such cases are often heard behind closed doors and nobody really knows the exact proceedings and also what goes on in the courtroom. That's the reason why the citizens are extremely interested to get this law repealed, and they want it to be repealed right now. In fact, one of the protest leaders also mentioned earlier that in just 1 month alone, more than 25 protest leaders are already facing such lèse majesté charges, and also some of them are seeing even more than one. One of them actually has got 7 lèse majesté charges already leveled against him. In fact, one of the protest leaders also highlighted that the youngest person to potentially face this is a 16-year-old student. And so a lot of the people have come out today, focused particularly on this subject, asking the government to repeal this law and to repeal it right now.